I will use this as an entry to join the sellers. And the reason why I'm doing this is very simple. If I apply another trend line, obviously, okay, let me take this one off, and then I'm just going to double this one. Okay, the same. I double this one, you will see that this right here is a channel that the price has been moving in between. Okay, I have tested a bunch of strategies over 100 times in the financial market, but in this video, I'm going to show you exactly one. I'm going to show you exactly how this very strategy works. I am going to show you when it wins, when it loses, and how you can start using this strategy to start making money starting right now. So without wasting further time, let us get started. So what we're having right here is the CADJPY. This is the OTC market. So we will look at the trend to see what is going on right here. So on the trend, obviously you can see that the price is moving aggressively towards the buyer side. So buyers are extremely strong. We had a run here, we had a pullback, we had a run, we had a pullback, we had a run here, and what we're having now is a pullback. You know, when price doesn't move in a straight line. Price will go up and fall, and that is what happens all of the times in the financial market. So we find opportunities to jump on the trade when we have a pullback that looks like this. All right, so what I will do is to draw some key levels and then try to see how sellers are behaving right here, and then we also use the key levels to also try to put entries in this very beautiful market. So I can try to have a beautiful trend right here connecting this high to this lower high swing, which is giving me a structure of a downtrend because this is a low, and the price is pretty much moving in this very range. So I'm more interested on the resistance levels, because the resistance level is where I'm more concerned about, because it is where the sellers are most likely going to be showing their strength. Because if we're having a minor downtrend right here, this trend line right here is where sellers will be showing their strength. If they lose or if they fail to move the market on the trend line right here on the top side, then I can jump in on the trade, because I will have all the indication I need for me to believe that these buyers are in and price can start moving upward. But with all of this in mind, we also have to pay attention to levels like this. This right here is the recent higher low swing. When price we are moving strongly from the downside, this is the recent low that was created by the market, and price has created this new high from this very low. When price is pulling back on this retracement phase, you have to watch out for these lows. These lows cannot be broken. If the market takes off this very low, that would mean that the entire trend has changed and sellers are not in charge, because this is where the buyers are mostly going to be strong. As price is moving down, this is going to be the last bus stop where we can look to trade. If we can't trade right here, then that means that the sellers are mostly in charge now, and price can start moving on the downside. So as we prepare for the market and prepare for our entry, I will also have to draw a horizontal level, and what I will do is I will have it right here. The only reason I'm having it here is that I'm just waiting for the price as it's falling. I don't want to miss out on an entry. If I have a very beautiful entry, if price eventually touches this level, I'm going to be trading. Why? Is because this is a strong zone of support, and of course buyers will be waiting right here in the level for price to, you know, go up a little bit. But this is not where I want to trade. This is going to take more of our time. I want price to close above this trend line, then we can trade. But this is also another way we can also trade, but I prefer that price closes above here so I can trade, for us to be able to save time. So after waiting for such a long time, price is back to this recent higher low swing, and this is not what we really wanted. We wanted price to break above, but that has not happened. And as we are seeing now, our price is even going to break below, which is going to mean that this uptrend is going to be a thing of the past, and sellers will start to move the price towards the downside. Depending on how the very candle closes, if the candle closes below, then price will start to fall down strongly. I will use this as an entry to join the sellers. And the reason why I'm doing this is very simple. I'll be explaining deeply shortly why I took this trade and why you can also start using it to start making money as you trade as well. Join our Telegram channel where we give away powerful strategies like this and be profitable with us as we stay profitable in the financial market. What we have done is taking advantage of the change of trend. Now we explain. Right here, you can see that this is a support, here is a support, here is a support. On this level, the buyer moved the price up. On this level, they also stepped in with the price up. On this level, the same thing happened before this new high of 118.825 was created. Now as price is going down, this right here is where the buyers are supposed to be strong to wait for price to go up. But if they fail to do that, there is a reason why it is so. And when you understand how market moves, there is nothing stopping you from being a profitable trader. So right here, what we are having is this buyer stepping in and move the price strongly into our zone of entry. And as it stands right now, it looks like we are losing this trade. We have 30 few more seconds before we can know the fate of this very beautiful trade. This candle right here have to close as a red candle, otherwise we are going to be losing this very trade. But of course, we are going to stand our ground and wait for the next 16 seconds, and hopefully this candle closes in our direction, and of course we can win this very beautiful trade. It's going to be tight, but of course I'm sure we'll be winning this trade. We have few seconds right here. We have 5, we have 4, 3, 2, 1, and boom guys, it was a very tight one, but at the end we ended up winning 14,400, right? So I will quickly explain why I took this trade, so work with me and make sure you understand every single thing about this very strategy, right? Even though we won the trade on the last candle and it was tight, this strategy really does work. You just have to practice it, and of course you see the difference. All right, so first, the trend was an uptrend. We have the price moving strongly in the upside. There was no doubt about that. Price creating new highs and breaking them, creating new highs and breaking them. Of course, that's what we saw. And on this level, price started to fall down in the downside, and the initial plan was to trade towards the upside. That's why we applied this trend line, trying to see where the sellers are strong, because this is a minor downtrend, which means that the sellers are in the market. We want to wait for when they become weak, and when they are not strong, then we can jump in on the trade. And this strategy works in a way that we use this trend line, that if price eventually breaks above and closes above it, it means that the sellers are no longer interested and buyers can move the price up. But if that doesn't happen, it will mean that the sellers are very much interested in the market. But it kept happening in a way that the sellers kept moving the price down, and it wasn't even breaking the level at all. Then we noticed another level. This right here happened to be the recent higher low swing. So I drew this horizontal level, and I want to track the movement of the market. I have two ways I would have been able to trade. If price returned to this very level and buyers shows a strong entry right here, we can trade for price to go up, or we can see if price breaks below. That would mean that the selling order right here become more than the buying orders. Now pay attention to this very level right here. This is where price eventually touched the level. If the buying order right here were strong or more than the selling orders, the buyers would have been in charge, and this candle probably would have been a green candle for price to move up. But the reason why this candle is closed as a red candle is because the buying order right here is smaller than the selling orders, and ultimately sellers won in the very zone. That's why this is happening. So immediately this candle finishes closing, showing me that the sellers are stronger and the selling orders are right here are more than the buying orders. Took my trade immediately, and this is everything about this very live operation and why I was able to secure this very profit. Okay, even though it was tight, but it was worth it in the end. If you practice the strategy, this can change everything for you. Of course, this is one of the strategies I've used. I've placed over hundreds of trades with the very strategy, and I can bet with you guys that this is super profitable. If you find any interest in this very live operation, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe, make sure you don't miss out on any of our important live operations. Let me know below in the comment section if you would have placed this trade, and of course join our Telegram channel where we give away powerful strategies like this and be profitable with us as we stay profitable in the financial market. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.